Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going into Bitcoin. We've got the CoinsKid crew. So on the top is the hourly time frame for Bitcoin, and on the bottom is the weekly time frame. Now, I've been saying to you for a very long time that, I think that what we've got here from this top in April 2021 was an irregular ABC correction. So this was the A wave, this was a B wave, and right now we've been in a C wave, which is bottom down there, okay? So you're looking for 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a clear 5 waves, bottom down here, and start to come back up, okay? So, this was an irregular ABC correction for me. We broke this high, which made it a regular B wave on low volume, bearish divergence, and some FTX spoofing, basically. So, in my opinion, that was the actual top for Bitcoin. And, a lot of the altcoins are confluence of that, because in the sense that they put an A, B, lower high, and C, they've been in the C wave, potentially finding a C wave drop right now, of 5 waves as well. But what we're looking for is the break and the continuation here, confirming that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves of the C wave on the weekly time frame at the bottom. So if we take a look at this particular scenario, we actually traded this like a boss, and I did write this on the thumbnail of the Bitcoin video I think it was last week, a couple of weeks ago, that this was an irregular ABC correction, that once it hits this low, the 1618 target, it will break this local high, and that's exactly what it did, okay? This is a beautiful trade for the CoinsKid crew. So just there, like I said to you, this is an irregular ABC correction because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC, 3 wave structure back up, which took out the high, and then we were looking for 5 waves down, wasn't we? We've got clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, like an absolute boss. But why was it given this target down here? Well, it was a 1618. If you take a look at this, it was a 1618 target, which was on the thumbnail. So go from the top of that B wave all the way down to the bottom of the A wave, and you can clearly see that once you lost the 1 fib down here, we was in a 1618 target, and it lovely, beautifully bounced, double tap like that, 1618, double bottom, see you later, taking out that high. So that was an irregular ABC correction to the 1618 like a boss. If you take a look at this bottom chart, which is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, we've done exactly the same thing, okay? So at the minute, I'm a little bit more biased towards saying, okay, well, we're not going to see new lows on Bitcoin. We're going to push up above the EMAs like we did here. This is the hourly time frame, don't forget. This is the weekly. It's going to take longer to play out. But if we can start to come up, we're not going to look back here. We're not going to look back, and it's all about getting back above this 55 EMA, holding the golden crosses, which we've got right now on the 10 and the 20, seeing the golden cross on the 20 and the 55, I think that will absolutely confirm your bottom right there. So, from this top to this bottom, just like this 1618 Fibonacci target was met like a boss, if we drop this on, and you can clearly see right now, look at that, we've come all the way down in the big push, in the big correction, ABC, irregular correction, where we found support, 1618, okay? And right now we're coming back up through the stairs like an absolute boss. So, these ABC corrections are perfect. This is a larger time frame. It took a much longer time to play out, but, the hourly time frame, this played out quite quickly, and we trade it like a boss. So in theory, I'm not going to say we have bottomed and we're going to see some kind of massive impulsive move like that, but, these things can happen. If Bitcoin right now just keeps ramping, you take out that 1 fib, that 0 fib, sorry, completely unexpectedly, then you've just been in this irregular ABC correction that bottomed out. It wasn't necessarily a big 85% bear market projection of 10k. It was just simple 1618, a regular correction, 1618 like this, a regular correction on the hourly time frame that we spotted, and boom, it's broken out basically. So at the minute, just kick back, relax. Everything's looking pretty bullish. Bitcoin's breaking out, it's consolidating, altcoins are breaking back up to Bitcoin. This is how it all happens. Like I said to you, Bitcoin's the daddy, it runs along and the kids follow, okay, and they play catch up. But anyway, that's a different story. But just kick back, relax. There's loads of trades that I've posted on Twitter on altcoins that are looking very tasty. Get on Twitter and follow me, okay? I'm away for the week, so I think the videos might be a bit hit and miss, but take care everyone. Back to an update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.